Roots 9100 coming at you on this Wednesday. It's a windy day. And what could we be doing on a Wednesday at 77 degrees in the sun? Just what do you think it could be? It could be anything, right? Well, how about I've got a clicking noise. The AC clutch, and I'll show you once I start the truck up. The clutch is clicking on and off rapidly, which it's not supposed to do. I believe it's low on coolant because I've never checked the coolant, the Freon stuff that goes in it since I've had the van, almost 5 years. So this is the stuff that you want to get. It's called AC Pro. Right here, you can get it at Walmart. You guys should go to Walmart and get it because it's the cheapest place to get it. The parts stores charge more. I paid, what did I pay here? Almost $40, 38 something there. There. Some gloves would help. Got a safety thing you got to take off. Also, you want to start the truck up. You want to turn the AC on high. We'll start the truck. AC on max. Turn this over. AC's on max. Fans on high. You can hear it already starting. So I'm going to take this safety thing off and I'll show you where the low pressure point is, the hitch up. Take this off. It's a safety thing so the stuff don't come out. There we go. Get that off. Get the gloves on. It's also got a gauge here, if you guys can see it or not. The gauge is supposed to be over in the green. We'll check that. Check that. Okay. So take our hose. Also, you want to shake the can real well. So you can shake it up good. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold the phone and show you how I do it, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing here. So I don't have a holder. Well, I got a holder, but I ain't getting it out. So I'll show you where it is. This is a 1991 Ford E250 5.8 liter engine. Hear that clicking? Right there, see it? It's not supposed to click like that. Right up in there, see that blue tab? Right there, screw that off, and you connect it right up in there. That's the low pressure point here for a 91 Ford E250. They're probably all the same, 1988 to 1991, whether it's a 150, 250, or 350 Econoline van, 5.8 liter engine. You don't want to take this, the high pressure one here. You don't. That one you don't want. So we are going to put the phone down, I guess. Right there. Going to have to bear with me a minute. I'm gonna make a part two. I'll make a part two. This phone's gonna be right in the way.